If you think AI is some far-off futuristic concept, you're already behind. AI isn't the future, it's the present. Right now, thousands of people are using simple AI tools to generate real income online. No tech genius required. Writers, marketers, entrepreneurs, and students are leveraging AI to add thousands to their monthly income or build full-time businesses. This isn't hype, it's a fundamental shift in how work gets done and value is created. In this video, I'll break down 5 proven ways to earn significant income with AI, from beginner-friendly methods to high-income business models. If you're ready to be part of this revolution, let's get started. The first method is offering AI automation services. Every business is drowning in repetitive manual tasks: customer support, onboarding, social media, invoicing. These tasks eat up time and productivity, but you can solve this as an AI automation agent. Don't sell AI, sell time. Offer to automate their customer inquiries or client onboarding, saving them hours every week. Use no-code tools like Zapier, Make.com, or VoiceFlow to connect apps and automate workflows. For example, automate customer emails with ChatGPT, or generate monthly reports by pulling data and formatting it automatically. You can charge a one-time setup fee, $1,000 for simple automations, $5,000 plus for complex systems. Businesses love it because they save thousands in labor and hours of work. Start by mastering one platform, building a few personal automations, and creating a simple portfolio. Show examples like auto-saving email attachments or posting videos to social media. Find clients through freelance platforms or direct outreach. Local businesses are a goldmine. Identify clunky processes, then send a personalized email or video explaining how you can help. Focus on outcomes, saving time, reducing errors, and freeing up their team. Once you deliver results, referrals and recurring maintenance fees can create ongoing income. This is a real high-value business you can start today. Every business needs content: blogs, social posts, newsletters, video scripts. Creating high-quality content is time-consuming and expensive, but you can change that with an AI content agency. Use AI as a creative partner, not a replacement. AI handles research, ideation, and first drafts. You or your team refine and personalize. For example, use ChatGPT to analyze top articles, generate outlines, and draft posts for a client in minutes. Human editing adds unique insights and brand voice, ensuring quality. This workflow lets you deliver more content faster with higher profit margins. Charge monthly retainers, $2,000 for a package of blog posts, newsletters, and social content. Build a portfolio in a niche you enjoy, showcasing AI-assisted content that feels human. Start your own blog or LinkedIn articles to demonstrate your process. Reach out to content managers or small businesses with outdated blogs. Offer value up front, like 3 new blog ideas, to start conversations and land clients. With AI, you scale your agency without a huge team. The AI tool landscape is exploding, and people need trusted guides to find the best ones. Affiliate marketing lets you recommend AI tools you genuinely use and earn commissions when others sign up. Success comes from building trust and authority in a specific niche. AI tools for writers, video creators, or small businesses. Create helpful content, tutorials, comparisons, and case studies on YouTube, blogs, newsletters, or TikTok. For example, review 5 AI writing assistants, show real results, and share affiliate links. Many AI tools offer recurring commissions, creating passive income as your audience grows. Authenticity is key. Only recommend tools you use and believe in. Become a power user of a few key tools, learn their advanced features, and share unique tips. Pick one content platform and be consistent. Apply to affiliate programs, get your tracking links, and always disclose them for transparency. Over time, this can become a significant passive income stream. If you're a freelancer, AI is your unfair advantage. Use AI to speed up research, outlines, drafts, and even design or video editing, so you can take on more clients without burning out. For writers, what used to take a full day now takes a few hours. For designers, use AI to generate multiple concepts in minutes. For video editors, automate captions and clip selection. This efficiency lets you double or triple your workload, or offer premium AI-powered services. Position yourself as someone who delivers high-quality work faster thanks to advanced tools. Audit your workflow, identify steps AI can improve, and master the right tools for your craft. Update your freelance profiles to highlight your AI capabilities and showcase your new portfolio. You're not just a freelancer, you're an AI-powered creative professional, ready to charge more and deliver more. The most scalable model? Build your own micro-AI SaaS, a small, focused software tool that solves a specific problem for a niche audience. Thanks to AI APIs and no-code platforms, you don't need to be a developer. Find a common pain point, like real estate agents needing property descriptions, and build a tool that automates it. For example, ListingGenius.ai generates property descriptions in seconds for a monthly fee. With just 100 users at 39 months, you're making nearly $4,000 in recurring revenue. The secret: go niche. Solve one problem for one group and you'll find customers faster with less competition. Start by listening to online communities for pain points. Build a simple MVP using no-code tools like Bubble and integrate AI APIs. Offer your tool free to early users for feedback, then iterate and start charging. This takes more effort up front, but the payoff is a scalable, recurring income stream. We've covered everything from automation services to building your own software. Here's your plan. Pick one method that excites you and fits your skills. Go deep, become an expert in the tools you need. Focus on delivering real value to a specific audience. Improve your process everywhere. Ask for feedback and get a little better each day. Start small. Your first goal is a single client, sale, or project. That first win builds momentum. AI is one of the biggest shifts of our lifetime. The question is, will you grow with it? Be an active participant, not a bystander. The time to start is now. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more practical AI strategies. Thanks for watching.